Afe Ghana Immigration Service epese omoti scan so na amoye no 50 Ghana cedis a day. Sika isu enwa bi na omodi ye omobi bia. Baby omo beda de omo bedi de ombenom. Enwa na omodi ye. Enti eyadea Adom FM ha dream pa se woti sika no so a eyadea ha dream na ene the new twist to it no Ghana Immigration Service in Penifo kwanya omode eye omo a ye deploy omo so omo kom mani ye borders ne kwanya omode omo fa so no ene the new twist ye de bro na ye be engage security expert or rapport boatin so ne na twetwe nkomo e wa asem we hu Adem one say the Defense and Interior Committee or Ghana Mraso Bedwam among person Bekasa. Ghana Immigration Service, they've been silent on the issue, but at the same time, among withdraw all the personnel. Some brefi, Namon Fancroft for Franco, or more to me, SCC or more 50 Ghana. Or more na pure marco because where your newly recruits our money dear zombies. Ye kase da no mada o mani nyante ye o maba form 1 so de wo kwa de beka bia wo ye ba wo do form 2 ane wani ate wo ho system nim enti mo withdraw omo ye omo so mani ate no minhu anye se omo ye omo so mani ate what is due them and omo se fama yen meant so ye 100 a day agreement no aye call ye no just give that to me when the boni awa ye ne saying ne boni awaye ne senti a wo withdraw no se brefie wo no akoka se ye be man 50 enti no na ye ka sem ni se ya obi gina baabi a obeka se wo ena see sometimes wo mo na mo ye nioma ne de ahye politicians mo ye nioma ne de ahye politicians imagine say wo controller general ya appointed Say Ghana Immigration Service esha wonsa Buana immigration adwuma ne nkoso but dia wuye obi bejina baabi ena banyo ena Mr. President ena you see me enko now we would address you squarely who asem ne fa ho no we will address you Controller General you are in charge of Ghana Immigration Service. And want to mean pretend this idea, you are not aware. You are very much aware. You know the agreement. When in pass, and collect 100 Ghana cedi a day, and I'm agree here the bemom. And you can't say, Ebia finance, baby, as can fano, and a person sing Colani, you are not aware. You fit board the rule. Oh, catch there. Oh, PR department. Only a moka size so omo issue release na omo ko issue na omo de ko share and pass it as at now omo ntimi fa release in ma about here but snippet of it they na mo throw release in no we are very much aware a directive what ma the PR department so omo issue release and sama o catch omo no we are very much aware Controller General 100 Ghana, where your day I will cut him 50. Into 50 now, more de quiet renovation of immigration headquarters. And as a mukoye inauguration of Babia, personnel nibiti. And as a more de service cars. And as a more de share welfare funding. Where is the 50 Ghana? But the uncle Homano Sonafe, Yane or rapper boating and Chichinkoma, or a security analyst. But the boating what mean Kasum Jane Kawana pay?
Asum Jane Kawan so. Bibiaboko.
And the body issue about 3 weeks ago, and I'm starting here because I had several calls from immigration personnel. Yet deploy almost all Monkoshe borders so. A day, ye mark almost 100 Ghana, but almost Sikano, ye Tiswa about 50. The body I'm sure say issue a by what?
Oh, my dear Chikakra.
And is that the norm? Say, ye to me, ete Sikano Sosa, and I say, ye nyaya arrange Shana Sana was say.
Oh, near Chenny, Biancasano, Babam born to say fast answer way. I am coming for the Babon Tinsta. And you know, a buyer no meaning our course in the dear Chicka. Now, I said, I'm paying for the beer on my son thing. There's a selfishness in how I'm charming. Oh, see? Now I'm paying 40 to 4 Kwang here. It will 4 bedroom. And sending you a honor man. And number one to say, you won't even come. Any quasi bassa. Say, immigration for your phobia. A security agents here. Baby, or mine a develop piano. One pan I am home. I don't know so to quiet.
Oh, why not?
Immigration for one home. As you said, one number regulatory normal monitor entry. So free hin over. So what hang a quiet wall far away at my soil of one. One normal send money. Even we are citizens to quiet. Woman almost say, oh, one of them monitor. Oh, bounce one woman almost. Many are namely terrorists for a disturbance with brutal Yahushie. Yeah, but there seems to be a new say. And said, don't could yes, now one become, I say. Any petty about almost fantastic and the amount of quine and asking for a pine. Nessa Bassi, your own here. I am asking. Ask a friend, Papa. Now, we think that, and yet, say, I could do sadly, may I be drew media for her. I had to say, Ubia, young, I can't be. And yet, dear, I asked at the point, the Minister of the Interior, almost nothing way, almost so. Nessicabia, Papa, Yedima, you ran on Maba 1 year month here. Never a bit me and motivate to almost no my yet to want as soon as my government. Omo my yes, Ardian. Omo my yes, Ardian. Now, a testing and immigration for one.
Wow.
Security agents, you know, a do baby. You see, one more subordinate officers, no. One more welfare, no. And shut down, and shut down, young woman, kind of stuff. I buy no sooner. And what's the work? No more, I can't deal with the and paying for politics in Tiamontinka. What's an answering Ghana Police Service? One we should be by an for committee suicide.
Yeah.
I think I did the idea them then. What was on welfare? Nasa the Sabi, a group of men. Nancy, I am a Koyan and think that I don't know a man that I know or but I ain't in Fabiano or more try from Bayama and on my innocent. So, almost subordinate officers, no. Almost one thing I'm motivated on, almost welfare, and ya or corn over coons over bread. Intimate wrong. And you may be a factor. Immigration, as you must 12. Any part increased ahead in that Ghana, how you to be more than 500. Then to all ball mine who can't know secure or borders are. Now, service. A young man will say security for budget and the guy in this close. 800 means 50 now water channels, and not there now, dear.
There are some more.
Trade the cranium, Ayama, Coco Nebayama. Momo feel comfortable. Momo subordinate officers, so I want to at least Kakra. Now, no one non high. No munting and more mine on buying. And only here, that's the one where was a Minister of the Interior, Minister, and was a more friend.
Was I want to say, yeah, Pusum Penny for Humasa, Obiam Beso Becassa, Obiam Beso Becassa.
A bet me about sending your more crowd buying once, a buying from my own. And our most opposition, near constitution, I am a political or the Casa for Chinebe. And then I said, Ghana, Emma Ghana, Bamboo channel. Again, what you are me to do. Near what's your papa, Ghana, your bamboo, Cayenne, Africa, until see it me be kind. even though West Africa they are so. But baby, what you could do, Pano, into the New Year. And now, sir, political appointments and then politician influence on what security agencies in the world. And to measure, the minister would be here. Or more than nothing, Uncle Soon. And over what Amagana, Yahuatoy.
Well, what's the Mamma was it? Why, it's only at Chinkomo. Nah. I was here for watching a security analyst now telling can me activating phone lines number. Can immigration personnel ye deploy Mosamonko Gadi a borders no. And it's a say calls are secret calls are more yet threatening more from headquarters. Threatening you someone more Kasanti ya redraw mono. Me activating phone lines more experience. Monchena Ghana Fonti. Number S as Sempaneka. But over memboarding. Meaning victimization is said here in the service. I go boarding all their promotion, their unya bida. One shakra near be you ready. Say unnecessary victimization, no. And you may cost in the security services. It was there be a mekase. It's your ne quick crowd, no. And to mo come, mun semcho, mu ye mo kasamun tieme, ne adrim boni e develop you on patrim. Your police in here, one material so pay, and ya call arm robbery pain. ACC, ye review stories nibi. Ethiopia nipa na se nipa ni yesisi na weapon ne krano no one shot the bedi boni men kasa omonkoye but at least kakra na ebe ma nipa na koma atoni yam na ohumi a moja na tumi esane ye no fama no wo de mani ye na okodi boni na anu amusa akwa we de adwemboni a na wo ne trim but ne kakra no won fama no what na so na wo de dia na wo din wafushe na dako with the Mammy Fancy war. They activate phone lines, you know, at the Amamo 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Mwamo mekamasem na Ghana Fontie. Sisi ana wechi mwefidia to ha. Wotie Adom 106.3 FM. Justin Semjumedie. Medini kwesi asempa. Aisha yankwa homane so ana ya activate. Okay, great. Abusia yanko na afei. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, hello, morning.
Yes, sir.
Senior, very no more.
Yeah.
Now, I can't do myself on prison. And I'm saying, yeah, but money has to be all right. I have to do every any prep there. And then I'll be happy. I'll be the night bills. So, it is all this kind of about now. How are you expecting the person to survive over there? So, at least, yeah, I'm going to be normal world medicine. Time limit. But I'll be sure you continue to get animal and see if there are more. Won't find out this. Yeah, will be able to be out more company. That's a mutual Christian moment. You'll be out for fun.
I was Yamate, Merasibebre. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Nabokodi Asempa.
Yamitiasi.
Oh, and the many aji to the sense, Metino Casawo, Asempa. Me hawa me person in country or my Ghana and say they say security. Is no security. Asempa me nye juma ho ba nyame na aji mama me ne se me kasa wa dom FM. Akunkum ne dosun titiri Eastern region e free chedi ebisi kosi busu junction. Shooting kwa etu and robbers ne kwitu see so drivers for oh ele de nyame meda Asempa ne momidin ne momidi ebesi ko busu jansin
mate
and robbers etu Asempa ben komunifa.
Hello mate merasi. Hello, good morning. Too bad. 0302 216 561. Hello, good morning. 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Too bad. I'm set. My sure way. 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Watching we feed to her immigration service for personnel your diploma eco borders or monsem and a year cano. Indeed, what can experience at the same at the various borders baby amokoye no. And so far treatment na efi head office ebano at the same calls ben and we receive your film penny for her with regards to that. On the chair. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nyamiti ase.
Yo. Now I had
but online break a crowd. Hello.
Yes.
But you meet you.
Any employee home. Masa tikura. Obi ye 30 years ni pay 1,000 people. Obe ko chini civil employee or the every na se no mu endi no mafa. Atine me se mu ke.
Mate Abusia, may I see bebre? May I say hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Nyamisho Asampa.
Nyamine hene.
With a quick one. First one, to the minimum say, it's an honor to be called on to serve your nation. What I say. But a idea, a command saying, one of the so much say, Namukra na you are doing when you money into Kamanutum. We shouldn't be so. Mekaka minimum say, I'm my for so. So most are or certain abilities or show certain signals say, O man a queen at the on some the coin war, a humbambo coin more. Obeying, certain provisions are made for that child. Schooling, obedience, we in a no pianaship, not awesome in my dog on my home. It's an honor. Now, my Ghana, they are politicizing everything in the near future is going to worry us if people like you don't stand up to speak for us. Put me on a field, you be in office, you don't even care whether I come back or not. Me bush na phone I should have a semi tough man. Na ka crowd be man me am say do be share me bush na phone so no. You are trying to debate me on that. Where from this one too? Anyway,
I was here, Miss Medasi Bebre. Why, Medasi Pa? I will yawa Crawford Eddie. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
Yo, we can't pass out the friend and the friend Jacofi.
Yo,
the person will be a tenant cap.
Jacofi, you.
Your woman said, I said, my can this year can be brave. Mention the can be. Your woman said, 50 Ghana, which I thought that you see. It is a new Juma, 100 Ghana, also 50. The war, my 4. But that's what. Oh, my young can look at. Let you know your home fire. Literally, young penny for the go on came. One day, I. You better say the bria at the house. It's a moment you know, I say, and I didn't do my soft phone. I don't want for young penny for one casa. Let you say, you know, you did. Na yeda and you be bacon any man for be any ability affect or the cobobi and then the apple the passing day. What would the law require me? I'm penny free nam coins to walk back. Over Cassie, one can I want what you and yet to my say, Ubi and Moka or Safon cat. Eh? It is your man, you know, I to them, yes, sir. At this time, now when I'm at the gap when you should go to the same concline, we say we are on the death trap road. No light. It is a pan, you respect you for the Yen back. Then you say, Yen, Akra, link I said it. Yamin Fire.
Adako fi asomdwen kan me da se pa sa ofrei. Me da se bebre.
Yo.
Hello, good morning. 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562. Hello. Asama yeka mpanifo ti a amon pese omo be sori atu ho anamo no e pa che o se bibi bobo bank tenkete ni anso ase a echi bum anya dia ye betumi aso ase we ye be din se na omo kasa dodo ana sika we si na wo pani na wote won yate wo fuel allowance kranka dede a wo be ye no na omo ni wo kran bo se on beti so because kote controller general ne fuel allowance anasa ne rent allowance mantem onko da hen wa ye adwuma but you see omo chef from ho ne de se nwura mu na obeda ba adwuma kra wo mfa ho. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Pacho Asempani.
Me Pacho I me wa hapa.
Asempa immigration for issue no. Oh, the channel say immigration officers no so almost who say abai no COVID the buy na abai no assign almost that duty for a specific period. More so, we immigration officer you are taking about 3,000 2,500 a month. The immigration officer, you know, sir, your duty, no, borders can. Now, say, I want to a border. Now, motivating more. Why should you, why so much concern about the 100 cities a day? Whilst you are taking about 3,000 plus a month. And you are not bothered about it. And you won't press the government, you know, saying, oh, 100 Ghana. I don't know, 100 Ghana.
Nyabotre mfa ne mako wa me akọ abasom dwen kan bacho me bacho we adwuma
bacho me adwuma
okay me bacho we
public officer
me bacho we adwuma na allowances won
ma allowance
me bacho ma allowance
ma allowance this is a special duty be say
okay. me bacho we security service
security service okay. But me revenue department
me bacho say assign with special duties allowance ka ho
no for it is for long time
me bacho me ba onyabotre they assign them because of COVID me boa
yes
COVID you see assign your mo kasa allowance ka ho
yes
and the allowance is 100 Ghana per day
yes
so the allowance was for a purpose me boa
yes
so why do you want to slash it to 50 Ghana? Do you know say you will corrupt them ejuma omo kwa akoye no they will be corrupted obi betimi corrupt you o ya we
and true
very good intino
me point is they are paid monthly
without due respect
what are they using their salary for? Are they not paid monthly?
Okay, so
are they not paid monthly?
So Abai knows say they are paid salary and they yes say you be more allowance.
It was for a period.
No,
at the heat of the COVID.
Now COVID in the buy no. COVID in the buy no. COVID in the buy no. COVID in the buy sika no.
They were not informed that they were working at the borders.
In fact,
immigration officers, you have to work at the borders.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Upon the COVID era, Abai sika do say na Abai J. Let us not even go there. Sika do say na Abai J the COVID era. No, they barber the COVID era. I buy sika obian him say COVID era or the barber show mine so. Why immigration personnel mon ka with all due respect. And I'm in person my mama who me so me kon boko. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Yes. Quick one. Hypocrites like this in the nation will never go for it. It's true, Minya. See, I doubt this guy. He has been on a foot for operation before. Only money need in dream. 2,500 now, Kano. When was the last time any of the security services from which uniform boots any accoutrements map personnel? And one or they talk or one club in university. About here. Then I'm in major. What do you mean by 2,500? Yes, my counsel. That's it.
I was here, Miss Midasi Bebri. My father, very last caller. Hello, too bad. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, I can't see. I was here. Yeah, the best answer. Obviously, immigration officer, stop complaining because more guard but there come a juma ho yetiamoka. So there is no need for allowance. Interesting. Hey, my bro. But it is well. You see, sometimes, yeah, and Crawford. Yeah. I'm in fancy no man one copa. It is well. It is well. I'm in fancy. Now me bay. No, but I won't say and you